Hello everybody, welcome to a Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tressa, and in this video I'm going to show you how strong Marblex Clay 25A. It comes in a 25-pound box at Hobby Lobby, and it costs $29.99. So I'm going to show you how strong this clay really is. So let's get started. What I did here was I made 5 pieces. I took 5 pieces of clay. I made them several different thicknesses. One I made, 2 cards thick, about 3 cards thick, 1/8 of an inch thick, 1/4 of an inch thick, and 1/2 an inch thick. 2 cards thick, and it breaks very, very easily. So that thickness is not a good thickness. 3 cards thick, is, very, it takes a little bit more strength to break. So I can't break it hardly, because it did break a little bit, but 1/8 of an inch thick, it's not breakable. 1/4 of an inch thick, you can't snap it. Very, very durable. 1/2 an inch thick, you can't snap it at all. Well, as you can see from the demonstration, Marblex Clay, it is very strong and it is very durable. It is not fragile. So I recommend this clay. If you want to buy this clay for pottery or for making ornaments or anything you heart's desire, this is a good clay to use. So, well, thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments below what you like. What kind of clay do you like? And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye!